Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this very nice, very low mile 2015 Ford Mustang V6 Coupe. This Mustang is in triple yellow tri-coat, has the ebony sport cloth interior. It is rear-wheel drive, powered by a 3.7 liter V6 engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. The vehicle does have a reverse camera, reverse parking sensors, also has dual exhaust on it, sequential tail lamps, does have the profile of the old Fastback Mustangs of the 1970s, has 17-inch painted aluminum wheels on Hankook tires, smart key access. And up front, high intensity discharge xenon projector beam headlamps. You've also had the daytime LED running lights and lower turn signals. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. Alright, so inside we have power mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. Manual seat adjust. The vehicle is equipped with automatic headlamps. You've also got your panel dim, trunk release, leather wrap, tilt and telescoping steering column. Alright, pan through the interior just a little more detail. Satin silver trim on the spokes. You have your multimedia display, cruise control, Bluetooth, and audio controls. Does have the new gauge cluster, very aircraft inspired, especially with the red line. It spells out revolutions per minute on the tach and ground speed on the speedometer. It is a stitch style dash with carbon fiber style trim. 3 central vents. You have your audio system. And below you have your manual climate control, engine start stop button. You've also got your stability control and your steering controller. You can change it from normal to sport and comfort. I'm going to place in the vehicle in reverse. It does display your backup camera with active guidance lines. Manual transmission. This vehicle is equipped with the sync Bluetooth. Plus got your smart key, dual front cup holders. And inside your center armrest, you do have media points for auxiliary input, USB port, and 12-volt power point, and some storage as well. I'm looking overhead. Overhead map lights and automatic dimming rearview mirror. Alright, looking at the rear seat. Seats 2. 50-50 split folding seat design. Alright, now accessing the trunk is easy. Just locating the button by the steering wheel. Alright, look at the luggage area. Relatively spacious for a car of this size. Underneath the floor mat, in lieu of a spare tire, you do have the tire inflator kit. Alright, this does conclude our quick walk around look at this very nice 2015 Ford Mustang V6. If you have any questions or like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.
When you approach the Mustang, you immediately get a feel of like, wow, we've really upped the bar with the materials that we're offering and the quality of materials. We are absolutely relentless at going after the best execution, the best quality of materials. We have a lot of attention to detail, the textures, the material quality, the colors. The strategy that we took was authentic premium materials. We're offering our customers a whole range of colors, from our core colors, our basic colors like blacks, whites, silvers, grays, and we're also offering very expressive, bold, powerful colors like our race red, tinted clear coat reds. We have a brand new yellow that's really special. We have an orange, blue, and then we have some sophisticated colors as well, because we know colors are very personal to people depending on who they are and how they want to express themselves. When you open the door, wow, that is the coolest interior that I've seen. Everything is real aluminum, real plated parts, real metal, plated chrome, plated satins. So when you sit in it, you have an experience that's tough, that's expressive, that's of quality, and that's actually fun to drive.
So at the beginning of the program, we start off with a slew of ideation sketches. And what we do in this exploration phase is really try and flesh out what are the most appropriate design elements for the car. So we developed 3 final design themes represented here in these images. Ultimately, we went here with theme A, as this really represented perhaps more the brutal side of the 3 design themes. But there were elements of some of the other themes that really influenced the final design.
Everything on this car is brand new. Every single part we designed, reinvented. There's a lot of key elements which we took and got inspired from our heritage. And there's certainly a bloodline running through the entire car.
We talk about this punching out quality, this fist breaking through glass or punching through the wind. And the whole front end was really developed around this theme, and that's been a historical cue from Mustang since day one.
You can see the dominant shark nose bite, which we actually took from our 64.5 and through the 69. You can see our headlights came much more forward, so I have this forward-facing look, and our nose is very proud. You can see the whole silhouette, what we did for the new car. Basically, we moved the entire cabin rearward, so that gives you actually a longer hood and creates a more selfish greenhouse cabin for the driver, and it gives you that 64, 65 look of the car.
We were really looking at all the design elements and how we could evolve them to send a new modern message. And we ultimately ended up along this theme here with this, what we call a unified DLO graphic, which stands for daylight opening, i.e. the side glass. And once we came to this conclusion, it really helped to modernize the car and just bring it into a new dimension. It also helped to really set up a fastback profile for us.
We made the rear track wider, pulled the haunch rear outboard, and then we made the backlight narrower, so in order to achieve that really wide fender, which gives you that muscle car look.
We pulled the wheels out 20 millimeters per side, and that really allowed us to get a very, very strong muscular haunch over the rear wheels.
What we also said, we want to have a 3-dimensional quality on this car. If you look at all the surfacing through the decklet, it's very 3-dimensional. It's very unique, and I think the taillights, we took a next step. We got inspired by 69 cars, but we did it in a very modern way.
You'll be able to identify this car from miles down the road just with those tri-bar tail lamps illuminated at night, and it's unmistakable Mustang.